In this video, we're going to be looking at finding the area of a circle. And before we start with area of a circle, we have to recognize the radius and the diameter. Now the radius goes from the center of the circle to the circumference of the circle. In this case, it's the line that we've got, which is 14 centimeters. So our diameter would go all the way through the circle from one edge to the other through the center. So that would be 28 centimeters. Now to find the area of a circle, we use pi times radius squared. Now pi is the pi button on your calculators. To get that, you use shift and times 10 to the power of x, and that will give you pi. And we're multiplying that by our radius, which we know is 14 squared. Typing that into your calculators will first of all give you an answer in terms of pi, and that would be 196 pi. However, we want our answer as a decimal, so you press the SD button, and that will give you 615.75216. Now we don't need our answer to be that accurate, we want it to one decimal place. So I put my line one number after a decimal, and I underline the next number. Now 5 is a round up number, so my answer will be 615.8 centimeters squared. Now again, we need to recognize our radius and our diameter from the circle we've been given. Now in this diagram, the line we've been given goes from one edge to the other edge of the circle through the center. So that means we've got a diameter of 40 centimeters. So our radius would be half of that, which is 20 centimeters. Now using our formula of pi times radius squared, we're going to do pi times our radius is 20 squared. Now again, on your calculator, that will give you 400 pi. But we want our answer as a decimal, so you press the SD button, and you've got 1,256.63706. Now again, we only want one decimal place. So my line goes there, and I underline the 3. So that's going to give me 1256 point. The 3 doesn't round up, so it stays at 0.6 centimeters squared.